3, 4.
So, we're gonna open. What are we gonna do?
Open something.
What are we opening?
Our movie.
No, we're making a movie, but what are we opening?
Our movie.
No, we're opening Daddy's mail.
Yeah.
Alright? So, I've never understood. I never used to understand unboxing videos, but lately I've been binge watching them, so I guess I kind of get it, but I figured, how can we do this in a unique way? So we got my little baby girl Tenley here, and I just gotta point out how ridiculous this is because I currently don't have a video monitor, and Sony cameras, Sony, your screens don't flip around. You can't do like a selfie, so there's the monitor, 40-inch TV, so we can see what we're doing here. Alright, we got 2 boxes to open. First box.
Daddy, which one can I open?
You're gonna help me open all of them.
I know. We have a lot of them, right?
Yeah. We have 2 boxes to open. Clear that out of there. Boom, throw it. You know what? I think that this is going to be the second box we open. Throw that on the ground. Alright, we're going to do this box first. You can just throw that on the ground. Make a mess. We don't care. Boom.
Because you made a mess over there.
Oh, don't tell everybody how messy my office is.
I won't.
Boom. Alright.
But everybody will know, right?
I'll pull that out of there. Oh, right there. Oh! What is it? It's an inconspicuous aluminum box.
Yeah.
What goes in it? We got a box.
What goes in it?
Well, let's find out. Don't rip that foam. Alright. Here's the box. Boom. Alright. Throw that paper out of there. Throw that out of there. Get rid of all of it. What is this? You have no idea.
It's your flying thing.
My flying thing?
Yeah, it's the thing that I picked for you.
You did help me pick this, didn't you?
Yeah, I know they were.
I keep looking up at the TV. We have the Mavic Pro. I don't know why I bought a drone. It's totally spur of the moment. Actually, Peter McKinnon. Okay, enough. Please stop.
Yeah.
Peter McKinnon was giving away a DJI Spark. I wanted to be able to do high speed, and within a day I purchased a drone that I didn't need to purchase. But let's open her up. Maybe. Hold on. Alright. Hold on.
Daddy,
we have
remote
control.
Own it.
Nice and heavy, isn't it?
It's not heavy for me. Daddy, this all of your stuff that spins around.
Yeah, it's like a video game, isn't it? Alright, let's put this in the box.
Where does it go?
I'm going to put this one in the box, okay? It's right there. Alright, we have, what is that?
It's the thing that we fly with.
No, that's foam.
Yeah, foam.
We have the drone. The drone is so tiny. I mean, I've watched like 5 or 6 unboxing videos before I bought this.
But we're the flying thing.
This is the flying thing. And they talked about how tiny it was, but I can't believe how tiny this really is. So this goes...
But it was big, Dad.
That's as big as it is, sweetie.
When it was big before,
Yeah.
that had a flying thing on top of it.
So we have... we have the silica gel packs. I always like to throw these in my camera cases just to, you know, try to keep moisture out of them. So toss that in there. So this is the micro USB cable.
No, it's the thing that goes on the back.
Oh, we have the lightning cable, micro USB cable, the regular USB cable, the power cable, and the charging block, which I just threw everything in the charging block. Oh no, here we go. The charging block goes there. Instructions. I'm actually going to read the instructions first. I know that sounds crazy, but these things are easy to break, so I'm gonna make sure I do it the right way. Foam! You like foam? Yeah, alright, let's close that up. Let's see what else we got with this bundle. I didn't go crazy with one of the crazy bundles, but we do have a gimbal clip.
And
some extension landing legs.
hold it.
Alright, you can hold it. We have the micro USB card and a cleaning cloth.
And this.
You excited? So,
And this too.
here's some test footage from it. Ready? Say go!
Go.
I let you in, you pushed me out, I let you go. Now you need help, you're at my door, but I won't tell you where you need to
Alright, hope you like that footage. Hope you like what you saw today. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe, share this with your friends. And until next time... A key. Until next time, be happy, be kind, be Marbelous. Marbelous?
No,
What?
Daddy, that's not the whole word it says.
Well, you tell him. You tell him.
Thank you, you marvelous. That's how you say it.
Okay, thanks.
This time I'm calling you by name. You know I'm not the one to blame. You are a witness, a witness. You've dealt me pleasure, dealt me pain. You've watched me stumble to explain. You are a witness, a witness.
You got that shirt off my back like I sell some clothes. Now you messing with this dude stocking shelves at Lowe's. Like I need another reason that hell is froze. I didn't think that you was leaving, I could tell it was close. But we had a shared love, cause heaven paired us. I got your back like a brace or a chair does. I miss my sonny like I hope my lovely Cher does. I just wish you prepared us.